Hi, welcome to this session. In this session, you will be known getting started, how to start this course and how you are going to, our journey will be starts from this course. Let's begin the session. C# Fundamentals. It's a basic course which is designed for you to understand very clearly. Here you can use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down videos for complete program. Learn at any time from anywhere using internet connected mobile or computer system or any other device. Make sure to use of FAQs and practical exercises. How to get help? Check with your knowledge using documents. For instance, quick help, Google or Stack Overflow search, and you will be known how the techniques. Submit your questions on Ask of QA forums for the detailed what you are trying to and what you want to get the screenshot of error code which is practiced by you. How to approach the course? Best way to approach the course is review videos with your practical hands-on sessions. Follow the video guide with the notebook, extra information for practice. Review certain information by reading examples, the parts of video sessions. If you are having any clarifications on the video lecture, you go through once again for the video lecture along with the assessment test given to you. Assessment and solutions. You will be assigned a simple assessment on most of the sections. Our course journey you will be reached at the end of the section to be test your skill level, which is based on your previous lectures. We have completed so much topic over here. Based on the topic, you will be assigned an assessment. And anyhow, you will be guided with the solution for the next lecture. I hope I'll see you at the course. Thank you.